This dangling wire earring is perfect for rectangular faces or the round one. You could use lapis lazuli stick stones or any other kind of beads, wire of about zero point 0.8 and 1 millimeter in thick, main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. Do you remember we had the tutorial on how to make this wire ring with lapis lazuli stick stone? You could use any color and even the colorful one that is perfect for kids or teenagers. What do you prefer, stick stones or beads? And which color is your preference? And now today we are going to make an earring for this beautiful ring. After preparing our stone or bead, we should pick up our wires of about zero point 0.8 and 1 millimeter in thick. We start by 0.8 millimeter thick and we insert the stick stones in, or bead or even pearl. Whatever that you like is possible. And I'm going to put about 4 of them. Now I need to make a loop at the end with my round nose pliers, just like this. And with one round, it would be something like a P shape. I insert round nose pliers again and bend a 90-degree bend, just like a pin, just like an eye pin. And I do repeat that for the other side, make a 90-degree bend, and then with round nose pliers, I wrap it all around. And after I make a loop, I will cut it out. Of course, I do that with my chain nose pliers. Now, I have 2 loops at the start and ending point of this straight line. And I would add another straight line, about 6 centimeters. I cut it out, a straight wire, and then with my round nose pliers, I make an eye pin at the start and ending point of this wire. I would make a 90-degree bend at the distance that is my preference, and I would again make another loop with my round nose pliers. Then I would cut it out again. And don't forget, if there is any spaces in between of every loop, push it a little and squeeze it so that it would be fitted. And then we are going to attach these 2 parts together with jump rings. We need 2 jump rings, so I pick up my 1 millimeter thick wire, I wrap it all around the round nose pliers, and then cut it out. Or you could learn how to make jump rings at the link above. So I make 2 of them. And now I'm going to make the hook for this wire earring. So again, with my 1 millimeter wire, I make a loop with the round nose pliers, just like this. And now I insert the round nose pliers in, and with the other hand, I'm going to wrap it and make a rounded shape like this. And now, somewhere at the bottom of this loop, I would make a bend and then cut it out in about 1/2 centimeters. Now I'm going to open the jump ring with my pliers, just like this, and like the tutorial we had on how to make jump rings and how to open and close them, just like the one that you see here. Okay, after opening it up, I insert the first and the second part in and then close it again. And be careful not to be any spaces in between of every loop or jump rings. If there is any, just squeeze it a bit. Alright, now this is the time to add the second jump ring in and at the above of this straight wire, and then insert the hook that I just made. So I insert the jump ring and the hook in and then close it again. Now the wire earring is almost ready, just some fixations at the end. And that is the beautiful wire dangling earring with lapis lazuli stick stones or any other kind of bead or stone that you like. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. Love you so much. Take care and bye-bye.